Hey guys, tonight I'm gonna make Japanese Hamburg steak. It'll be something really quick to make. Just eat leftovers, leftover bison burger from this morning when I made burgers, and then leftover onions. So very easy to make. Maybe not the most authentic or traditional, but I don't care. It's just me.
Và trước khi đó thì anh chào tiếng Việt Nam được không con?
Hello, Tân Con là Ryan. Yeah.
Gì tên con là Ryan?
Okay, so right now, I'm just gonna mix up and massage the ground bison just a little bit so it looks mushy. Make sure that it's all, I guess, combined together, stick together. Okay, this is enough for now. And then I have chopped onions right here, just a little bit. So I'm gonna add them in. Okay. Panko breadcrumbs, just add a little bit, just so it helps stick together too. Add some bread texture. Egg, just one egg. Depend on how much you making though.
Mà cái này ăn với cơm hả con?
Yeah, you can eat with rice or with vegetables, whatever you want.
And this is Japanese food.
Japanese food. I saw this in Japan. Pretty good. Okay, now mix it together. I don't know no measurements. I can't tell you guys what to do. But this is probably about 3/4 pound of ground bison.
And if there's no bison, you can use beef.
Yeah,
right?
ground beef doesn't
Ground beef.
matter.
Okay. Con bison cũng giống con bò thôi, cái tướng nó nhìn y chang con bò thôi.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
You're just making leftovers. Okay, and then simple seasoning. Black pepper. Salt. That's it.
So far mình có thịt bằm, onion, hành củ chặt ra, panko, muối với lại tiêu, với lại một cái trứng.
Yep, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more panko so that it can absorb the egg. And then that's it.
Hình như cái này ba chưa bị ăn qua hình hết.
Really?
Have you ever made?
I've never made this before.
Okay, ba chưa ăn qua.
Well, I didn't never made it for you and Grace before, but
You ate it.
I ate it before. Okay. This is gonna be a pretty big steak, but I'm a big guy, so I don't care. Okay, now I don't know if you can see this, but I'm kind of forming it into look like a hamburger patty. That's why it's called Hamburg steak.
Is there a Japanese name for it?
Hamburg steak. I'm not kidding. It's literally Hamburg steaky.
Hamburg.
Hamburg.
Oh
Hamburg.
my goodness. All right.
Okay, that's it. Okay, let me start up the heat on the stove and then I'll just throw it on. Thank you.
Để bà mở cửa này để dành cái tay nó ổn. Sao mà cái đồ buồn quá vậy hả? Bị đau quá. Cứ nằm xuống nha. Đây, tao bị gạch. Đấy.
And then just cook it like any other steak. You know, whatever you prefer, medium rare, well done. I don't care. I like medium rare.
Same here. Chứ mấy cái steak mà ăn mà when you make it well done, it's dry.
Yep. And then put the heat on to medium high. I'm using just regular vegetable oil right now. That's all you need. I don't think it's hot.
You want something to drink, chef?
Nope.
You could drink it, all right?
Yeah, I don't drink like that.
Well, you used to drink a lot of hard liquor, man.
Yeah, not good for you.
Yeah, right.
It's not. Okay, now I can add it on. Man, fat steak. But I need the protein. I need to build muscles, you know? I don't care. So just let it cook. It's gonna take some time. Maybe it's about an inch, so probably if you want medium rare, you do like 5 minutes per side.
Okay. So 5 minutes per side. Okay. 10 phút sau mình trở lại. Ha?
Yeah.
10 minutes. Okay. We'll come back.
Okay, so the Hamburg steak finally finished. I'm gonna plate it right now on some rice, and then I'm gonna make one sunny side up egg, and then I'm gonna, I'm gonna finish it. So this, a little oil. A little bit of salt and pepper again, just a little bit, because I'm gonna add sauce onto this. So I don't want it to be too seasoned. So while that's cooking, let me explain this. It's a very simple meal, very simple. It's not fancy. It might not taste good to many people, but it's a very easy fast food to make. So it really is just ground beef or ground whatever. So I'm gonna add this. You can make your own, but this is more convenient. I don't really care because it all tastes the same. Okonomi sauce, tonkatsu sauce, or your own type of like demi-glaze sauce, it doesn't matter. It all tastes the same.
Con để cái hình này lại coi.
It expired 2 years ago, but it still tastes the same. I never opened it.
Yeah, so it's okay.
So
It's Best
good.
Buy.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna add some dried parsley flakes, just so it looks good. Make it look good for the video, I guess. I don't know. Make you guys think that I know how to cook. Okay. Egg is good now. I put that on my plate. Just like that. Okay. Now I have a simple meal. Sauce like that. And it's not salty either, not at all. It's just kind of a little sweet and savory. And then parsley flakes. That's it. Very fast food, about 10 minutes to make.
Yeah, exactly. Aren't you going to eat with that slimy thing?
The slimy thing?
Good
Oh,
night.
no.
No?
No. Let me get a spoon. I'll try?
Sure, I have to try.
Yep.
You know, but you can't try your own.
Okay. Let me go first.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Inside is, it's well done, but I steamed it, so
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't care. Very flavorful.
I ate egg today, so I won't eat any more egg. Very good, Tom. Very good. Actually, good. Fast man. Huh? It's good. Oh, thank you for sharing. Biết Jack muốn thử không? Hay là mò vậy?
Yeah, where's Grace at?
Không biết nữa. Cái này ăn cũng được, cũng lạ lạ miệng.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Take it fast.
Yeah, fast to me. You want to try, Casey? Yes. Kind of good.
Wow. That looks hecka good.
Cheese sponsor us.
What the heck?
Then you advertise that
Last time.
Hamburg steak brought to you by Heineken.
This is hecka good.
It tastes good. Cái sauce cũng lạ.
It's a different flavor.
Yeah, different flavor. It's not like A1 and stuff.
No, it's almost like it.
Yeah.
But not really.
What did you put inside the meat?
I put the chopped onions,
Chopped onion.
black pepper, salt, panko, and egg. One egg.
Wow.
That's it.
That's good.
Nhờ cái egg á làm cho cái thịt nó không có dry đó con.
Mm-hmm.
Thay đồ. Để chỗ khác. Not that way. Go the other way. Cái này. Go over there.
Come on.
Now I'll heat up the leftovers.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's pretty healthy too. I didn't add anything bad into it.
And bison is pretty lean, so
Yeah, high protein.
high protein.
Muscles.
Wow.
Must go.
Well, I'm about to heat up something unhealthy. No muscles.
You see, Casey? I told right. Thằng thay đồ á, nó không ăn gì hết until the end of the day, knowing that he's not gonna get anything. Lúc đó nó mới chịu ăn. Chứ bây giờ nó cứ wandering around. Wait for a miracle. I tell you.
Saving his
Has
appetite.
food.
Yeah. Được lắm hả?
Yeah, this it's like a Japanese meatloaf, or like a hungry man food.
Yeah. Mm.
You just need the little brownie in it.
I know.
Nó lạ miệng với ba. I mean, it's different. Ăn cái đó với lại cơm. Right? Because normally if you eat a patty, you wanna taste it with spaghetti,
A bun or something.
buns. Này ăn với cơm lạ.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Anyway.
you tried the American way. I knew mashed potato and
Yeah.
Đúng rồi.
Stuff.
No, you made that before, right?
yeah, this is like the Japanese Salisbury steak.
Đúng rồi. Yeah, I remember.
Mhm.
Con làm với mashed potato.
Mhm.
Cool.
I ate that so fast.
Mình ăn lẹo dễ sợ luôn á này.
Look, I can eat this in one bite.
Oh. God.
No wonder. Nó cũng không có nhỏ con gì mấy nữa. How much you weight now, right?
225.
Ồ, có 200 mấy hả?
Mm-hmm.
Còn ốm quá, có nắng mà.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cái tay nó có giống như bằng cái chân của ba vậy đó. I got chicken leg.
Yeah, take care of the family, you know.
Yeah, that's right. Đó, lúc nào cũng vậy làm mặt buồn. Buồn lắm, làm mặt buồn. Ok, thôi, mình xong cái này là Ryan share another recipe. Ok, bye bye gia đình.
Bye.
Bye.
That's right, trademark bài. Nói tiếng Việt đi con. Con tên gì?
Con tên là Ryan.
Nói tiếng Việt còn dở mà chết.
Con thích nước mắm.
Bye. No, it won't stop. Hey man, it won't stop.